The KOA has a nice dog park. I might fall over if I back up though, because there's a lot of moles around here. Gophers or whatever the heck they are.
Cooper, no. No. No, no, no. You are not allowed to dig. A cute big video of you.
He wants to get the birdies.
Cooper! No,
Cooper.
hey, stop trying to eat that fence. Hey.
Oh, stinker. Riley, what's he doing? Is he going to run out and get those birds? Riley, come. Is that you? Oh my gosh. There he is. Woohoo! What a cute boy.
Oh, Cooper, go get Christine.
That little stinker. Come get me. Come here, Buffy. Oh, birds.
No. You go get Christine right now. No, no. Oh dear. That's bad.
He is hilarious. He's like, let me hurry, get the business done so we can go back to the birds. Such a nice big park. I love it. Where'd Riley go? I could hurt myself. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, you crazy.